This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. Under construction. This is a very popular floor plan with a farmhouse elevation, open floor plan and lives much larger than its 1,483 square feet of living space. The main living area features a living/dining and kitchen area with tiled floors, a nice size island with additional seating and quartz countertops. You'll love the covered entry with the 8-door and open foyer once you enter the home, and the covered lanai is just off the great room. The owner's suite is spacious, with large walk-in closet and en-suite bathroom with quartz counters for the dual vanity and tiled shower. The kitchen offers 42-inch upper cabinets with cabinet hardware, stainless steel appliances, a large walk-in pantry and a cute pet room for your furry friends. The floor plan offers a front bedroom for a nice split plan. This plan has more features not mentioned, is projected to be ready before the holidays, so now is the time to visit and make this house your home. Willow Walk is nestled in the quaint town of Palmetto, just a few miles from the Ellenton Premium Outlets and only a short drive from Tampa. Residents can enjoy a resort-style pool and playground while being only miles from Florida beaches. For more information, review the details.